Are you looking for the best university for your future education? Then you should visit universities and discuss with the students of the departments. Business and Management Department of Tishki International University of Sulaimani aims to train and educate its students with the real market projects. It means our students are supposed to visit companies and they have to learn, they have to discuss the theories that they are learning here with the real business owners. Additionally, every semester our students are making real market projects. Majority of our students are publishing many scientific articles before their graduation. If you want to have all these experiences, we welcome you in our Business and Management Department of Tishki International University, Sulaimani.